So the next program, FAQ3, what is the output of the following program? So declare the header file, then main function, start your program. I equal, within the block you have mentioned I equal to -1. So integer data type assigns positive value and negative value. Okay, the range of the integer value is -327682 32 plus 32767. Okay, you remember this first. -327682 32767. This is the range of the integer data type. So I am using the negative value -1. So -1 to starts the negative value, 0 to starts the positive value. So I am using int I equal to -1 plus I. So plus I is known as pre-increment. So what is the use of pre-increment? Increment value then display. So printf I equal to %d /n, print the statement into new line, plus I equal to %d I comma plus I. So %d reads the I value, you are getting the output. Plus means increment 1 value. So the actual value of I is -1. So you get in I equal to 0. Then you are printing plus I. So plus is a arithmetical operator using 2 operands. Okay, but I am using 1 operand, only I. So here also it will display plus I value 0. If I am using another variable plus I means you get in other output, but I am using here plus I, only one in operator with 1 operand, so you get in I value also 0. So see the output of this program. Declare header files. Okay, declare the header file, main function, int I equal to -1. Use increment operator, pre-increment operator. Remember that, pre-increment operator. Here I am using pre-increment operator. Printf I equal to %d, read the I value, /n, display the statement into new line, plus I am using in arithmetical operator with I value, %d /n. No need to write I comma plus I. So see the output of this program. Save this program, then you get in the output. I equal to 0 plus I equal to 0. So see the output of this program.